Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer Coinbase to Ledger Nano X. First, ensure your Ledger Nano X is set up and updated to the latest firmware. This is crucial for security and compatibility. Next, install the specific crypto app for the asset you wish to transfer on your Ledger device via Ledger Live. For example, if transferring Bitcoin, install the Bitcoin app. This preparation ensures a smooth and secure transfer process. Before initiating any transfer, always update your Ledger Nano X firmware. This ensures you have the latest security features and bug fixes. Then, open Ledger Live on your computer and install the specific cryptocurrency application for the asset you intend to move. For instance, if you're sending Ethereum, install the Ethereum app. Finally, connect and unlock your Ledger device to Ledger Live.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Quick recommendation. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's fantastic for music, smart home control, and more. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, log into your Coinbase account and go to the Send/Receive option. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's vital to select the correct asset. Then, you'll need to input your Ledger wallet's receiving address. You can find this address in Ledger Live by selecting Receive for your chosen crypto. Always double-check this address for accuracy. After entering the address on Coinbase, carefully review all transaction details. Compare the receiving address displayed on Coinbase with the one shown on your Ledger device. This step is critical to prevent sending funds to the wrong address. Check the amount and any network fees. Finally, confirm the transaction on your Ledger Nano X by physically pressing the buttons on the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.